Hello, my name is Zack, and I like to backpack around the world. Good afternoon from Copenhagen, Denmark. I'm getting kind of a late start because, well, I've been taking it kind of easy today because today is actually a travel day, kind of, sort of. My bus leaves at 10 p.m. and I had to check out at 10 a.m. but I didn't actually leave my hostel until 4 p.m. So it's actually 4 p.m. now. So I didn't spend much money yesterday. All I had was like 2 hot dogs and 3 Cokes, and that's it. And I'm really craving sushi. They have a lot of sushi places I've noticed here in Copenhagen. So let's go into this food hall. I believe they have a sushi place in here. It might be cheaper in here. There it is. Sushi. Needless to say, that was some really good sushi. Well, that was some good sushi, but like I was saying earlier, tonight I have a bus ride at 10 p.m. in about 3 hours to Hamburg, Germany, or Hamburg, Germany. So this vlog isn't going to be as long as the previous vlogs, but thought I'd put one out anyways. All right.
Fine, right? Yeah. That's the board.
Well, I'm about to hop on the bus, so this is good night from Copenhagen, Denmark. The next time you see me will be in Hamburg, Germany. Be sure to like this video, even though it was pretty short and even in my opinion it was probably boring. And be sure to subscribe. Alright, my name is Zack and I do like to backpack around the world.